This tutorial will guide you how to link and unlink your account in Kaiju number 8, the game. So make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. Now from the Kaiju number 8, the game, home screen here, select the four lines here at the top right corner. Just select them and then select the 3 lines here to open up your menu. And then you'll see an option which say account linking here on the account section. Now select here account linking. Now you can choose to link your account with Apple or sign in with Google. So it say here, linking your account allows you to restore your game data and you continue playing in case you lose your device. So you can either choose sign in with Apple or sign in with Google. I'm going to proceed with sign in with Google. So I select here sign in with Google. See, I have already linked my account, as it say here, account linking complete. I have linked my account to Google. So just click OK. So as you can see, my account is linked. So if you want to unlink your account, just make sure to click X here to cancel. Now let's go and proceed again on how to unlink. Now just come here to your home screen. Select these 4 lines at the top right corner. Then select 3 lines to open up your menu. Select here on account linking. Now let's say you want to unlink your Google account. So just tap on sign in with Google here. Then you will just select here, as you can see. It just asks you the currently logged in player data is already linked to Google account, and link the account. So if you want to unlink your account, just click OK and your account will be unlinked. So that's how it's very easy and you can link it at any time. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.